This video I will share you list important updates about Shopcoin, its price prediction this year, Megabalon, and its major central exchange listings. That is it possible that this meme coin can be the next listing for all tier 1 central exchanges or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video. And if you've not joined my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all latest crypto updates here. Okay, and all my videos information here. So you can also join my Telegram channel for latest crypto updates. France, Europe, and other Elon Musk inspired meme coin launched in previous year. You can see its current price of $0.0034, pump by 19%. Last 24 hour, 44% last 7 days, and 20% pump in last 14 days. Now this is good recovery from this meme coin because this meme coin was badly dumped due to recent market crash. You can see friends, $3.2 million market only. So massive dump. Right now, its market is also very low. $1.9 million trading volume last 24 hours, 1 billion coin supply, 942 in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin after that launch on Solana and Bass also. We are 98% down the initial all-time high. Okay, friends, XC $0.25 current all-time high. Okay, its price all-time high was on 14th November, 4 months ago, where from we are 98% down. You can see, friends, MEXC, Bank, Get.io, XD.com. These some central exchanges is list this coin, CoinX, PileX here. If you not have MEXE and Get.io account yet, I provide you both central exchanges. Links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Okay, exceed 12,851 holders for this meme coin, 12,800 holders. So number of holders, no doubt, very good. And Uniswap, his highest supply is 6%. Okay, 6% supply is on Uniswap exchange. That is a Ethereum DEX. Is 5% supply is burned. MEXE holding 3.4% supply. Wormhole, Portal, Token Bridge holding 1.9% supply, Get.io and another MEX exchange holding 1.7% supply. So top 10 wallets are mostly central exchanges wallet, FS60. Other wallets has less than 1% of supply. So this is good. Okay, this is no doubt looking good. There's no any value issue looking here. And friends, now my price prediction about Shopcoin is that as this current market, okay, here you can see friends, it's just $3.2 million. But because this is Elon Musk inspired meme coin just like KKS, so it's possible that in future if Elon Musk tweet about this meme coin again, then we can see this meme coin to skyrocket just like Pepe. As we saw a few days ago, Pepe did 3x within just 24 hours. So it's definitely possible that if Elon Musk can tweet about Sharp coin again, then Sharp can also skyrocket here. But friends, in long term, this super low cap meme coin and right now 98% down in its all-time high can be highly risky also but highly rewarded also. I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange. I buy this coin for just $10 and right now I have only $6 left because of its recent market crash. I'm not going to sell this meme coin soon. I take risk very few dollars here, so I'm going to hold this coin for at least next 6 to 7 months here. In this year super cycle meme coins mega bullion, I think this meme coin has potential at least 3 to maybe $600 million market cap here. What's your price prediction? You can must comment down below.